Let's discuss the relationship between the integral of a function. If f is integrable, integral of a function exist करता है उसकी absolute value लें और function f of x जो है उसकी absolute value लेके integral लें. क्या f mod जो है वो integrable होगा? अगर integrable है, so what is the relationship between f of x का integral पूरे का mod और f mod जो है उसका इंटीग्रल लें, what is the relationship? Of course, integral of f of x complete mod will be less than or equal to f mod का जो इंटीग्रल है. ये हमारी जो है वो इंट्यूशन है, यहाँ पर हमें लग रहा है कि इस तरह का होगा. Let's see how it is going to be. If f is integrable on the closed interval a b, then so is f mod. f mod जो है वो भी integrable होगा, पहली बात. Furthermore, the integral of f of x from a to b absolute value will be less than or equal to integral from a to b of f mod. ये हम जो है ये प्रूफ करेंगे. If f is integrable on a b, then so is f of s. पहली बात f mod b integrable होगा. Furthermore, this inequality जो है इसको साबित करेंगे. So let p be a partition of a b and define mj supremum of f of x, small mj infimum of f of x over the jth interval of that partition p. mj bar और small mj bar जो है ये f mod की supremum और infimum relatively जो है हमने define की है. Then so mj bar minus small mj bar, which is this one, equals the supremum of f of x mod minus f of x prime, where x and x prime are between from the jth interval of the partition. Now absolute की वैल्यू जो प्रॉपर्टी हमने रियल नंबर सिस्टम जब डिस्कस किया था उसको अगर यूज करें, सो दिस विल बी लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू सुप्रीमम ऑफ मॉड ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स बार, वेयर एक्स एंड एक्स प्राइम जो है दीज आर फ्रॉम द jth इंटरवल. इट इज इक्वल्स m of j minus small m of j. Therefore, s bar, the upper sum of f mod, वो s bar से रिप्रेजेंट करना, the lower sum of f mod function, उनका डिफरेंस will be less than or equal to upper sum of without upper sum of f of x and lower sum of f of x. ये sp जो है upper sum f of x का है small, ये lower sum जो है ये f of x का है. Bars जो है these are correspond to the absolute value of the function, where the upper and lower sums on the left hand are associated with f absolute value and those on the right hand side are associated with the f. Suppose that epsilon greater than 0 hai. Why we have considered this one? That I will show that the upper sum minus lower sum is less than epsilon. Since f is integrable on ab, there is a partition p of ab such that s of p minus the upper sum minus the lower sum less than epsilon. इसको मैं यहाँ पे यूज करूंगा. So it is very easy that f bar जो है वो integrable हो गया. Because for every epsilon greater than 0, the upper sum minus the lower sum of f mod is less than epsilon. ये हमने साबित कर दिया. The inequality, this inequality and one imply that this one, which is thus f mod is integrable on ab. अब दूसरी बात जो है वो हमने शो करनी है. सिंस f of x ये इनइक्वालिटी जो है ये ट्रू है फॉर ऑल x. भाई f of x mod की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? f of x if f of x is greater than equal to 0 minus f of x if f of x is less than 0. ये प्रॉपर्टी अगर हम यूज करें तो दिस इनइक्वालिटी, बोथ इनइक्वालिटी, दिस वन is true and this one is also true. We have these things. अब अभी हमने रिजल्ट किया है कि अगर f of x, f और g both are integrable and f of x less than equals to g of x हो तो a to b f of x, a to b g of x, ये inequality between their Riemann integrals जो है ये हमने साबित किया है. इसको हम यूज करके we have this, इसको हमने यूज किया and this. Hence the result. अब इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके हम जो है जो रिजल्ट हमें चाहिए था कि f of x dx a to B absolute value is always less than or equal to A, the integral of f mod dx. दोनों inequality को use करके we can conclude this one, hence the result. So we have proved that if f is integrable on the closed interval AB, then so is its mod. F mod जो है वो भी integrable होगा. Furthermore, the mod of integral of f of x is always less than or equals to the integral of f of mod. ये हमने साबित कर दिया.